Our Toyota service, this is Talisa. How can I help you?
Good morning. I have a really quick question. How much is it gonna be to replace a battery on a remote key of a 2017 Toyota Camry?
On the remote key battery replace, let me get over to my parts department really quick and then double check that price for you. Give me 1 second.
Thank you. I got 2 of these batteries for $3 on Amazon. CR 2016 3-volt battery. Yep, they look the same. Back into place. Cover back on.
Okay, thanks for holding. So it'd be $5.36.
Just $5?
Yeah,
Oh, thank you.
no problem. Bye-bye.
Bye. I just saved you $2 and an extra battery.